Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to this brand new video, and we are still continuing our challenge 30 videos in 30 days, and we are in day 4. Subscribe and smash that like button below to be notified and drop more video. Let's go. Do you want to be a blogger like me? Do you want to make money from AdSense like me? As you can see on the screen here, do you want to make this kind of money that I'm making from AdSense? If your answer is yes, then I recommend you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'll be showing you how you'll be able to create websites from scratch. And guys, notice too, for free, okay, how you be able to create this website here for free, okay, without spending any money, and you can make money from the website that I'm going to show you and you're going to create in this video. Okay guys, so this is your guy Shapiro Acid once again. I'm a content creator. I create video about how to make money online. So I research on what people are doing to make enough money online. I come here to record video about it for you guys. So in case you appreciate my effort, why not hit that subscribe button and also share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And guys, don't skip this video, because if you skip this video you might have missed a vital part of the video that could help you make a lot of money online. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to be able to create websites like me. So let's assume you are just new here, you don't know anything about websites, but you want to start blogging because you want to be a blogger like me. So let's just assume you are new here, you don't know anything about blogging, you are new here. So guys, before you can start blogging, you need what we call a domain. So in order to create a website, you need what you call a domain and a template. And guys, I know domain and templates, you need to buy it, but don't worry, I'm going to show you where you can get all those things for free in this video. So you're not going to buy anything, and you're going to create a website for free. And if I show you here, if I click here, you can see this is the amount of websites. These are all our websites that I have, and but they are not for me, actually they're for my friends. You can see I have a lot of websites here, but if I click on any of them, you can see that they are all websites. They're all websites that I work on. Oh yeah, let me just show you real quick. And they're all websites that I work on. This another website. I have a lot of websites, so I'm going to show you how to be able to create this website for free without spending any amount of money. So guys, let's go. So let's assume that yes, we don't know how to create websites. We are new, we are babies in this journey. So now the first thing that we need to do here is to go to a platform that I called blogger.com. So we type in blogger.com. As you can see here, you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, this is the first one you're going to select. It says create a unique and a beautiful blog easily. So we click on this one real quick. Okay, let's wait for it to load real quick. Okay, guys, it's taking me direct to my I know how to solve this. Let me just go here real quick so I can solve this. So you go to what you call blogger.com. Okay, so when you click on the first one here real quick. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is how it's look like, or this is how their platform look like, and it's a very nice platform. Okay, so as you can see, they will say you get a free domain here, you can even earn money from it. Okay, then you know your audience, they will help you do all those kind of things that you can see on the screen here. So now when you're here, the first thing that you need to do is what? Click on what? Create a blog. Okay, and guys, I know you watching right now, or anybody watching right now, you have what we call Gmail, because we are using it to create the site here. So in case you don't have Gmail, you need to get one. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a new account, but I'm not going to waste your time showing you how to create a new account. So I'm going to forward this video fast to create a new. Yeah, so as you can see now, I just create a new email. Okay, that's our new email that I've created right now, which is what? tryvideo@gmail.com. So when you put on the email and your password, it will bring you to a place look like this. You can see this place. This is how the place look like. So you can name how you want the blog post to be. For this video, the name of our website will be try video. Okay, so then you click on next. Then the URL, how you want your URL to be. So I'm still going to make it tryvideo.com, but here, since we are using the free domain, you can say it to be blogpost.com, but I see somebody have used it already, so let's add 6. Okay, so it's available. So guys, in case you use the name and it said the name have been used already, just try and change the name and it will be like this. Then click on next. Okay, so now the display name, let's just make the display name to try video. Okay, real quick, so let's wait for it to process. Okay guys, I think I have a problem with my network here. Real quick, so click on this real quick. Okay, boom. Yeah, you can see. So this is how you create a new site. And when we come to view post, you can see our site here is created. This is how our site, okay, this is our new site we have created in this video. You can see we have nothing on our site, is empty. And I will stop the video here. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to customize your own site and the things that you need to do to get this site approved and start earning money from Google AdSense. So guys, in case you love what I teach in this video, in case you love this video that I show right now, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below so that you can be notified anytime I drop new videos. And remember, we are still on a journey of making 30 videos 30 days. So stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.